Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious steak hoagies using an easy method. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, focusing on thinly sliced steak, fresh hoagie rolls, and your favorite cheese. Don't forget to prepare your vegetables, like onions and bell peppers, and have your seasonings ready. This simple approach ensures a fantastic meal with minimal fuss, perfect for any day of the week. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large skillet or griddle over medium-high heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Once hot, add your thinly sliced steak, cooking it quickly for just 2 to 3 minutes until it's nicely browned and tender. Then, toss in your sliced onions and bell peppers, letting them saute until they become soft and slightly caramelized, adding wonderful flavor to our hoagies. With our steak and vegetables ready, it's time to assemble these amazing hoagies. First, lightly toast your hoagie rolls. This gives them a nice crisp texture and helps them hold up to the delicious filling. Next, divide the hot steak and vegetable mixture evenly among the toasted rolls. Finally, generously top each hoagie with your favorite cheese, letting the residual heat melt it into a gooey, savory layer. This step is crucial for that classic hoagie experience. To finish, personalize your steak hoagies with any additional toppings you love. A drizzle of mayonnaise, a squirt of ketchup, or a dash of hot sauce can elevate the flavors even further. Serve your delicious, freshly made steak hoagies immediately while they are warm and the cheese is perfectly melted. This easy method ensures a satisfying and flavorful meal that everyone will enjoy, perfect for a quick dinner or a casual gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.